love bugs, it's your girl DizastrousBeauty coming back with the voiceover. So this unit was sent to me by OMGqueen. Shout out to you, OMGqueen, for sponsoring this video. I really appreciate it. Right here, I was just showing you guys what all came in the packaging. It did come with your wig cap, an edge brush, and it does come with this information card and a how to care for your wig card. And I did notice that in that little VIP card, it has my girl Natural Joy. Yay! Shout out to Natural Joy. I really like her and enjoy her videos. Okay, so right here, this is the unit. This is their Glueless short pixie cut natural curly bob lace wig. It is 8 inches long, 180% density, and it is $89, honey. This unit does come with 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and it has 2 adjustable straps. And I will get into details about all that good stuff later on in the outro, because you know your girl can talk, okay? Your girl gonna give you the specs, honey, all right? So let me give you guys the tea. So I bleached my knots. And you guys may have or may not know, it depends on if you watch all my videos. I was just bragging on how when I bleach my knots, I've been using this method. I never bleached the hair. Child, your girl bleached the hair, okay? You see that blonde? Do you see it, honey? The hair did not come like that. Your girl did that bleaching knots and ended up bleaching the hair. But fear ye not, honey, because it's all gonna come together, okay? Your girl is gonna pull this look together, but I'm gonna talk about it more in detail in the outro. But honey, this was still an entire look, so judge me not, okay? We all make mistakes. Your girl is not a hairstylist. I done told y'all. And if you hear the echo, that's because I'm in my bathroom, okay? You know why I'm in my bathroom if you watch me, okay? You know, you already know this. So anyways, y'all, that is pretty much it. I'm gonna let you guys enjoy this video, get into this new song that I got that I've been feeling, and I just been singing this little song, y'all. I'm getting it together. I am getting it together. But anyways, once again, shout out to OMG Hair or OMGqueen. Shout out to you for sponsoring this video. And y'all, I will see you love bugs in the outro. Bye. So your girl is getting festive, honey. Look at my little snowman sitting over here behind me. Are you guys in the Christmas spirit? Like, are you feeling it or not? Like, let me know. But if you are interested in details and specs about this wig, I have obviously finished styling it. I have obviously finished styling it. And if you're interested in the details and specs, then please continue to watch. So this company is a newbie for me. This company that sent me this hair is OMGqueen Hair, or is it just Queen? OMGqueen is what they have on here. So I'm just going to say OMGqueen. They sent me this wig, and this is their packaging. I thought this packaging was so freaking cute. Like, I love stuff like this. My favorite color is pink, and I just love the packaging. Now, this unit is their... And honey, I have to show you guys this because this is my bae, okay? My bae already reviewed this wig. And honey, if you're not already subscribed to her, go and check her out and check out her review on this unit, honey, because she definitely slayed. And it was really looking and seeing that she had collaborated, which is Wigs to Wasteland. Seeing that she had collaborated with them, I was like, oh, okay, well, let me give it a shot, okay? Because I like to look for people that I watch to decide whether or not I want to work with a company, because usually or always the people that I watch, I know if they collaborated with them, then the company is legit, okay? So yeah, definitely go check out Wigs to Wasteland. But This unit is their Glueless Short Pixie Cut Natural Curly Bob Lace Wig Affordable Virgin Brazilian Hair. Honey, they kill me with these names. Whew! Honey, I ain't got enough air in my lungs to do these names. But anyways, this unit is showing right here, and I'm guessing that it only comes at one price. Right now, it is showing $89, and that does not include any type of discount or anything. So, honey, you can't beat that with a stick, honey, okay? For a human hair wig, you can't beat that with a stick. So, on here it says, and you know what? I'll have all that information down, you know, over here, over there. I never know which side it's on, but it's somewhere. And I'm going to tell you guys what I have. I do have it in a medium cap size because I do wear a medium cap size. This medium cap size does fit me really, really nicely. Okay, so I do have this unit in 8 inches. It's 180% density. And the lace color was light brown. It says pre-plucked hairline and elastic band. And you guys know, like, I got this new software. I don't know why I keep saying new software. Is that what you call these things? It's basically an app, honey, okay? It is basically an app. I got Final Cut Pro, so I'm working with it and messing with it. So I will put the information over here so you guys can see it. But, yeah, that is all of the information that they sent me about this week. And you guys can see. And I'm pretty sure it's some sort of discount, or maybe that is the discount included. I'm just telling you guys, this is what they have on their website right now, honey. Okay, this is what they got on their website right now. That is the price, $89. Okay, they haven't sent me or said anything to me about having my own discount code, so I don't know if that will be the case. If so, then I will also have all that in the description box. Just check the description box, sis, and it will never steer you wrong. Okay, that description box, it won't steer you wrong, honey. Okay, but yeah. So as far as shedding, tangling, guys, honey, this wig is 8 inches long. It's 8 inches. If it sheds or tangle in 8 inches, child, I would not be reviewing this wig. I'm just gonna keep it real with you, okay? Even though it's curly, it is more of a looser curl wig. It shouldn't be shedding, so it's not. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Like as far as the specs and stuff with this wig, yeah, I have nothing else to say about it. So I'm gonna go ahead and no lint check is needed. I'm gonna get straight into this review and we can wrap this thing all the way up. Okay, so what do I think about it? You guys know I love me a good curly pixie. Okay, I love a good curly pixie, but you guys know I got a story for you because I'm sure you guys saw the blonde in this. Now, I have just bragged in a really recent video about me using my Glam Force Freeze Spray, not leading me wrong, not letting my hair get bleached, and then the next day, I swear God will show you, girl. He will show you, and he showed me. Honey, this wig has been bleached. Look, I'm going to zoom in and let you guys see. Can you see it? Oh my God, it don't look so bad on here, but I'm sure you can see it. So, obviously, the wig did get bleached, child. And the hair got bleached. I was bleaching my knots, and honestly, y'all, the lace must be, I don't know. The knots must have been really, really nice because they really didn't need to be bleached long. And they turned instantly or something. I don't know. I have not had this problem thus far. And I was really, really upset because I did my method and it never happened before. But honey, when I say, if you want to bleach this hair, if you want to apply some color to this hair takes color like that, okay? It takes like that. I had only left the bleach on for 10 minutes, and child, it had colored all of the front, and I'm sure you guys saw that. But honestly, when I was looking at it, and even when I was talking to my husband, like, it really doesn't look bad. Like, I would rock that color in this hair. So I'm really, really thinking about bleaching this hair. I don't know, but the way that it bleached with this, just the knots, makes me want to bleach the hair and try, you know, just bleaching the whole wig, because I feel like this hair dyes really easily. So that is a plus. That's a plus. The knots. If you do bleach your knots on this wig, honey, watch it because they're going to bleach instantly, okay? These knots are not that hard to bleach, so keep that in mind. I didn't keep that in mind. I didn't know, but I know now. But yeah, so other than that, and that is not a hair problem. Like, I literally have no cons with this wig. I think that the wig is really, really nice. It's really, really thick. It did come with one of those adjustable bands. And this band I like more than the other bands because you can actually do it like a bra strap, like literally like a bra strap, to tighten it or loosen it, and you can connect it or not connect it. Now, I didn't do it. I'm not wearing this wig in the glueless way. You can wear this wig glueless if you want to, because it does have that band in there. So keep that in mind. And yeah, I mean, I think the wig is really nice. Now, as far as products that I used, you guys saw that, but I did use water and mousse, a bunch of mousse. I used my Cantu curling mousse, and I used my, which is right here, and I used my Lotta body mousse to mold that. Like, that's though, I'm a mousse stan, honey. Okay. And yeah, that's how I basically achieved this look, and I feel like it was really easy. It was really simple. And yes, shout out to you, OMG Queen. OMG Queen, shout out to you, sis. So yeah, I'm feeling it. I like it. I would recommend it. All the information for it will be listed down below in the description box for your convenience. And I'm going to give you guys a full 360, and we can wrap this thing all the way up, honey. Okay. She done. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. This is it on the right side. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm being extra. I'm low-key entertaining Journey. His Journey's right here. Say hey, Boots. Hey. Yeah, she's right here. So I'm kind of entertaining her in the process. That's why I'm being so extra. But yeah, that is pretty much it. All the links, information, everything that you need, we listed down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, sis, click that subscribe button. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm held to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye. I told you Jordan Brown was over there.